Hi there, I'm Christian Claremont, and today with my partner Lucy, we'll walk you through the development stages of our Drunken robot simulation. The concept was originally to create a robot that could make food for people. We thought of a crepe making robot, omelette making robot, or even a cake making robot, but we finally decided to settle with a drink making robot. This robot should be able to create any drink you want, given the ingredients in a cup, and do a little bit of a flair or tricks as it is making the drink for you. As we were researching this, we found Las Vegas' Tipsy robot. We wanted to base our robot off the Skura robots, and thought it was smart the way that they dispensed liquid from a pre-made dispenser that is probably sensor-based. However, we noticed that the robot only filled the cup and just served it. There was no exciting part about them except that it was a robot pouring you a drink.
Upon checkpoint 1, we decided that we wanted our robot to be able to follow the original task list shown in blue. So basically create a whole drink, give them the ingredients, and serve it to a person. However, after checkpoint 2 and 3, upon attempting to get grippers to work, sensors to work, and just supposedly easy things to work all together, we realized that the project was a lot harder than we let on, so we decided to simplify our project. Our robot now is given an unmixed drink along a conveyor belt and shakes the cup, then serves it to the table. A video of our project can be seen next.
This is our final design. It is quite choppy, but we couldn't figure out how to smooth out some of the parts. The main problem of this project was getting the robot to be able to grasp the cup, shake it, and ungrasp the cup, allowing someone to take the drink after it is done.
There were many hard parts to our project. Combining the motion planning and inverse kinematics together in the code was likely the most difficult. Halfway through, we realized that Capellia Sim had a pretty steep learning curve, given little program background. We also had to learn how the code organized itself and also how to get signals from one script to another. Our favorite part in this project was the path planning and integrating the inverse kinematics to it. Despite it being hard, it was the highlight of our project. We were initially very excited to find the function sim.followPath and seeing how it worked. The robot was spinning its joints in a fast circular motion with a cup in its hand, and it felt like a guiding light in our project. However, after adding more lines of code and praying for the robot to do the next step, which was to place the cup down, the robot kept spinning. This was when we realized that the follow-path function wasn't exactly the best thing ever. We had to backtrack and rethink about our approach. Our favorite part of the project was also the hardest. As mentioned before, we tried using a sim.followPath function, but found out that because our path was circular, it would never exit out of the loop. To find a way around this, we created a threaded script and placed it on a new dummy that followed along the path infinitely. We then had a second threaded script on the IK-linked target dummy and used sim.moveToObject function to follow the first dummy. From our video, you can see that the robot wildly moves, which further induces the name of our robot, Drunken Robot. The only con to the way we did this was that it seemed unnecessary to have a dummy following another dummy, but we couldn't think of another way around this.
Overall, I think our project was a success. The Drunken robot was able to do the main tasks it was supposed to do, which were to grab a cup, shake it, and place the cup down. The robot even was able to drunkenly shake the cup. We assume the cup to be a closed bottle, so the liquid doesn't come flying out. I hope you like our Drunken robot project and was able to follow along with our progress. Thank you.